issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Harrisburg or Manchester or over Galena Park, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Pasadena, northwestern Maryland, Deer Park, South Houston, Bel Air, West University Place, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Midtown Houston, Downtown Houston, North Side, or Northline, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, 2nd Ward, Greater Heights, South Belt Ellington, Northtown, or Montrose, Greater Eastwood, near Northside Houston, Greater 5th Ward, and Greater Hobby area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is your NOAA weather radio.
Yes.
Velasquez. In our new series, Dead and Buried, we're continuing the conversation around we'll meet people who are challenging the funeral industry.
Term providers help thousands of people like you who think they can't afford term life insurance to buy $1 million of affordable term life for you. All you need to do is call Big Lou at 800-555-2085. We will make sure the scales are tipping your favor. Call 800-555-2085. Big Lou will answer your call and work to fit you into a term life policy that you can afford. Remember, yours like you. 800. Just unbearable. It's unbearable. Like working at a sweat house. So they're unionizing. Do you know this? Or they're trying to unionize.
Wall Street Journal, and she had been covering the submersible since it went.
Central Brazoria County and southeastern Harris County until 8 o'clock p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
So they generated the activate voice, but do you say The
National Weather Service in Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, south central Harris County in southeastern Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That's not
At 7:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Greater Heights, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
There's a chill
Radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include western Pasadena, northwestern Maryland, Missouri City, Stafford, where you have to be telling you, Bel Air, West University Place, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Hunter's Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Greater Heights, Nuttown, or Montrose, Memorial Park, and Fort Ward. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm.
Engineered by Michael Reed.
Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows.
Visit HoustonVascular.com or call 832-350-7260.
Fort Bend, Galveston,
I can't believe that. Let's see what TV news are.
Severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Greater Heights, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard to inhale and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Stay tuned for more information. Outdoors will be National Weather Service in southeastern Texas, thunderstorm warning for Fort Bend County and South Central Harris County until 6:45 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Greater Heights. A severe thunderstorm, possible hazard to the southeastern Heights. Warning to northeastern Fort Bend County and South Central Harris County until 8:45 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system. Outdoors will be freezing. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs. Go to KTRH.com and click on Operations. Affected include Western Carolina, Northwestern Carolina, Missouri City, Stafford, South Houston, Bel Air, West University Place, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, downtown Houston, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, Spring Branch North, 2nd Ward, Greater Heights, Nuttown, or Montrose, Memorial Park and Fort Ward. For your cushion, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous area. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows.
Eighty-nine point seven, 88.3, 88.7, 89.7. As your for same thing.
Severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Harris County in southeastern Texas until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Attucks Part 10, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bel Air, Jersey Village, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, downtown Houston, Memorial Park. coverage for West Oaks, Headwood Village, and Hillshire Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This heat advisory is for the following.
Of course, the biggest sticking point of the season at Bolton has been Rafael Montero. We all know about the contract that has been put into his hands this past winter.
I thought it was Kelly Dusty's comments the other day that he's on the roster and I have to pitch him, man. He said I pitched him in the fifth inning, or the sixth inning, whatever it was, so that if he gave it up, we got 3 innings to come back. This is the roster that he had.
20 during day in the Central Daylight Time.
And he understands so much for me to get that. So he got to pick one, and
moving with
so I don't know, maybe get him on the IL, but
60 miles
get him down to some more
side hail.
and see what happens down there. But we got
indicated
they're in a tough spot just with the money and the years.
hail damage to vehicles
A couple more here with Brian McTaggart, you know, the outcome before you say goodbye for the week. With that being said, with Montero, adding it on to this whole series of conflict, I think it's very early with Brian about or Memorial Park. Adding a Bolton on is a real possibility.
Spring Branch north, Fort Worth, Spring Branch west, Greater
I don't think they'll make things too
Heights,
flat Bolton West Valley. Pretty good bullpen. I think their number one thing is going to be to have a bat. I still think they're going to go get a starter. I think those are the two priorities. If they get somebody in the bullpen, I think it's going to be a key move to the trade last week. That's the way building our AAA. And the Reds rightly were down. I asked the Reds beat writer about it. He's like, yeah, he's not very good. So they're going to have to do a little bit better than that. But you can come in and just add another piece of the bullpen. This Rangers for the high list. Radio 740 KTRH is activating the area emergency alert system. Thank you for important information.
This and elsewhere, the media was there documenting this because this was unlike anything.
EAS, please. Yeah.
This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in Lee City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Harris County until 9 o'clock p.m.
Forgive me for putting it that way. I mean, you are devoted to doing the right thing.
15 miles per hour. Possible hazards with this storm include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Harris County until 9 o'clock p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. Remember, or for live Doppler weather 740 radar anytime, go to KTRH.com and click on Operation Stormwatch. News Radio 740 KTRH is your official severe weather station.
Important
Instead of 4 EOMs. The hell.
The National Weather Service in
This is
Lake
as
City
you are.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Fort Bend County,
That's mine again.
Texas, southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, eastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Addicks Park 10, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard to inhale and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milan, West University Place, Keene, Tomball, Jersey Village, Hempstead, Prairie View, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Pinehurst, Green Lane, or Upper Kirby area, Spring Branch North, Mission Bend, Eldridge, or West Oaks, Spring Branch West, Addicks Park 10, Spring Valley, Aston Oaks, or River Oaks area, and Pecan Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows.
Crowd of 38,279 gets to their feet. Two-strike pitch. Did he go around on the breaking ball?
Made the process easy and convenient. Call them at 800-356-4282 or visit Xander.com. Use call 550 KLBI. Beaumont.
As the Astros beat the Mets 10-8 to take 2 out of 3 in the series. So the Astros take off on the road a 9-game, 11-day stand. So the Astros ticket. Don't miss your chance to witness these amazing matchups in person as your Astros pursue another division title. Visit astros.com/SCP and get your tickets to witness the excitement firsthand.
Hey, this is Adrian Gonzalez. Dennis Jewelers is a proud sponsor of the Trip Around the Diamond and your family jeweler since 1948. Mention home runs at any other stores to receive a free team bracelet and $50 off any purchase of $900 or more. And don't forget,
Madness. Security.
for credit and debit. So visit DanielJewelers.com now to find the nearest store. Own the dream with Daniel Jewelers.
Northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Addicks Park 10, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard to inhale and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location impacted include Milan, West University
Ways anti-democratic policy.
Thunderstorm warning for North Central Fort Bend County, southwestern Montgomery County, eastern Waller County, and northwestern Harris County until 9:45 p.m. At 8:58 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located near Addicks Park 10, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Possible hazards of this storm include 2 inch hail, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Fort Bend County, southwestern Montgomery County, eastern Waller County, and northwestern Harris County until 9:45 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system. River news break out, we break in. Keep tuned right here for the latest weather updates. Over live Doppler 740 radar anytime. Go to KTRH.com.
45 p.m. Central Daylight
Radio 740 KTRH is your official severe weather station.
Source, trained weather spies.
That's correct. And 3, 2, 1, is body back. What is that? The bang!
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Burleson County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Grimes County in southeastern Texas, south central Brazos County in southeastern Texas, eastern Washington County in southeastern Texas, Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Prairie View, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brenham, Katy, Hempstead, Prairie View, Washington, Hockley, Waller, Pine Island, Cypress, Monteville, and Independence. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 9:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the Alpha radar was tracking a cluster of storms.
Losing those games.
And we lost it for Austin Park. Okay, this one. Oh yes, it's for Austin, Washington. Stay.
Southeastern Texas until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Prairie View, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brenham, Katy, Hempstead, Prairie View, Washington, Hockley, Waller, Pine Island, Cypress, Monteville, and Independence. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
station is activating the Houston area emergency alert system. The National Weather Service in Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Waller County and northwestern Harris County until 10:45 p.m. At 9:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm is located near Prairie View, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour, 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for Waller County and northwestern Harris County until 10:45 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system. Remember, when news breaks out, we break in. Keep tuned right here for the latest weather updates, or for live Doppler 740 radar anytime. Go to KTRH.com and click on Storm Watch. News Radio 740 KTRH is your official severe weather station.
That's... Damn!